In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect a PDF in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top here, click on Protect, and then click on over here on the right where it says Security Properties. From here, go into Security, and then where it says Security Method, switch from No Security over to Password Security. And if you want to password protect the PDF, here you have to basically click on the check mark next to Require Password to open the document. Then you have to enter in the password over here and confirm it again. And then if you actually want to restrict editing and printing as well, if of course a person gets access, then they can't edit and print, you could also click on that and then do like your password over here and then type it in again to confirm it. And then you have a bunch of different permissions down here. You can play with that if you want to, and then just click on OK, and then OK again, and then OK again. Now, when you've done that, you have to save your document like this, and as you can see, this now has a lock. Now, whenever you close it, and if you actually try to open the document again, it's going to require the password you just set. So for example, I'm going to type in mine, press OK, and there we go. As you can see, now I have access to this PDF. So that's how to protect it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.